Okay, here we have 5 quarts to 11 cups. I'm going to write that as a fraction. Okay. All right, so 5 quarts to 11 cups. At this point, the other questions we simplified in the beginning, but this one doesn't simplify any further. So now we want to look at doing a conversion. We have 5 quarts, we have 11 cups. So we want to either be in cups over cups or quarts over quarts. It's going to be easier to go to cups, so I'm going to keep the 11 cups in the denominator. But the 5 quarts, let's see, we have 5 quarts. How do we convert quarts to cups? Well, let's look here. 1 quart is 2 pints, right? So since we have 5 quarts, right, if we multiply this by 2, we get 10 pints. But now how do we go from pints to cups? 1 pint equals 2 cups. So we have 10 pints, right? And then we multiply by 2, we get 20 cups. So 5 quarts is 20 cups. The units cancel. Our final answer is just 20 over 11. All right. Now, sometimes you might have a ratio and it's not whole numbers, but you want it to be whole numbers. So here we have 0.36 gallons to 0.30 gallons. I'm going to write that as a fraction, 0.36 gallons divided by 0.30 gallons. Since they are the same units, that they can cancel, which leaves me with 0.36 over 0.30. Now in our directions, it says write the ratio as a fraction in simplest form with whole numbers and the numerator and denominator. We don't have whole numbers right now, we have decimals. So I can write an equivalent fraction by doing this, times 100 times 100. So I multiplied the numerator and denominator by 100. And why I chose 100 is because that's what's going to give me whole numbers. So instead of 0.36, I have 36. And instead of 0.30, I have 30. So multiplying the numerator and denominator by 100 shifted the decimal point to the right 2 spaces. And I could reduce this. So 36, let's see, common factor is 6 times 6, let's do that. And 30, 5 times 6. So the common factor is 6. So my ratio is 6 to 5. So what this is saying is 0.36 to 0.30 equals 6 over 5. These are equal.